Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick tutorial on how I created my jack-o'-lantern face rosettes. So if you guys remember, a few years back, Crate Paper had come out with the After Dark collection, and in that collection they came out with these beautiful pumpkin rosettes, like jack-o'-lantern faces. They were so cute, and I regret not getting them, and I really have been wanting to recreate them ever since I saw them. Mine are not exactly like the Crate Paper ones. They're a little bit bigger, and the faces are totally different. I believe the Crate Paper ones were a little bit smaller, and they had more simple faces. I don't have a pumpkin face or a pumpkin die. So I was trying to think of what I could create, and I actually have this one from Tim Holtz. I got it this year. If you guys haven't seen my Halloween party, I'll link it down below, but I basically showed this, talked about where I got it and everything. I believe I got it on eBay or Amazon, I don't quite remember. I figured I could use the face because the reason why I got this is because I loved the little jack-o'-lantern face. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and create my own. They're not gonna be the exact thing, but they're pretty darn close, and I actually love how mine look. They're so cute. I love the little crooked smile. I think they're super, super cute. So if you guys wanna see how I created my Crate Paper inspired jack-o'-lantern rosettes, then just keep watching. First off, I have my orange piece of Recollections cardstock. This is cut down to 1 1/4 by 11. And I'm gonna go ahead and start scoring every 1/4 inch on my scoreboard. Now I have a tool that can do this. I purchased the EK Success tool, the Rosette Maker. I'll link that down below in case you guys have not seen my little review on it. It's okay. I honestly just prefer doing this, even though this is more like time consuming. I just feel like you get a better, more crisp look when you do this on your own. So now that I have my base to my rosette, I'm just going to go ahead and do the Mountain Valley fold so that we can start forming our rosette. And in case you don't know what that is, you're basically just making a little accordion. I also have my hot glue gun heating up, and I went ahead and punched a 1-inch circle. So now I'm just going to go ahead and use my ATG gun, put a little bit of adhesive on that last section, and connect it to the opposite end of my rosette, like so. Okay, and so now the next thing I'm going to do is a little odd, but I really love using my platform to my big kick. I know that's weird, but this is just what I like using. The glue comes up easy off of it. I don't want to ruin my desk. And this is just what I've always used to create like paper clips or anything like that. And so I don't know, this is just what I use. So now I'm just going to take my 1-inch circle. I'm just going to add some hot glue to the middle and hold my medallion tight. Carefully take your circle, place it in the center, and hold it down. And you have a few seconds to fan out your medallion whichever way you'd like. If maybe it's too tight in one area, you want to kind of fan it out a little bit, you can do that. And then also if you want to like put something heavy on top of it, something that doesn't really smash your rosette, but it still kind of holds it in place while the glue is drying, you can also do that. I don't have a problem just holding it like this. So. And also the trick for this is you don't want, okay, so like this was an example, I was playing around. You don't want the glue to be seeping out like this. That's too much glue, and that will ruin the look of your rosette, like the pumpkin face, because you don't want any glue coming out the top like that, because you want to be able to put the cute little nose in the center. You don't want all the glue all over the place, you know. So this is perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I already went ahead and die cut out my little jack-o'-lantern face. And to save time, I'm just going to use my hot glue gun. You can definitely use wet glue, whatever adhesive you like. Like I said, I'm just very impatient right now. The nose is probably the hardest thing. I've always wanted to make these ever since I saw them. I just think they're so cute. And I know mine are not the exact ones, but I still think they're cute, so. There's my tutorial on my jack-o'-lantern face rosettes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, you guys can go ahead and do so by clicking the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when I upload videos, which is every day this month at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, just go ahead and hit the notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow night. Love you. Bye.